Hey lovies, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing great. So guys, in today's recipe I'm going to be showing you how to make your delicious Mallam Suya in your own kitchen. You don't have to start stressing yourself looking for Suya to eat outside, okay? So guys, for this Suya I'm going to be using very tiny sliced beef, and I will start by slicing the beef into my desired size. So when I'm done slicing the beef, I'm going to set it aside, and I will take you through all the list of the seasoning that I'm going to be using. And do check out the description box so you will get the full list over there. So I'm using a very tiny pinch of ginger powder, black pepper, and some chicken stock powder. So I'm going to be mixing it up with 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and definitely I'm going to be using some Suya spice. I have the very hot and spicy one, which is this, and I have the main Suya pepper. So I'm going to be mixing them because I love my Suya to be very spicy. So I'm going to be mixing my seasoning with the vegetable oil. So I'm going to use it to marinate the beef. And do make sure to set some aside that you're going to be using later. So I'm going to marinate the beef and make it mix very properly, and I will put it in my fridge and allow it to marinate for about 1 hour. At least minimum, allow your beef to marinate for 30 to 40 minutes if you're in a hurry. So my beef have been in my fridge for 1 hour, and I will start by putting it in my Suya stick. You can get this from shops around you. So you can add any amount of beef that you want into your stick. That's all done over there. And now I'm going to get my Suya spice, and I will start by using my hand to thoroughly mix the Suya spice to the beef. I will make sure I open every part of the beef and allow it to get the Suya spice. If you don't want to do it with your hand, no problem, you are free to get your kitchen gloves. So I'm just going to work them with my hands. So right now I'm done putting my Suya spice on the beef. I'm going to lie them on my baking tray, on my oven tray, and I'm going to brush it with some vegetable oil from my mixed spice with the vegetable oil. I'm going to give it a nice brush. And at this moment my oven is already preheated for 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. So I'm going to leave my Suya to cook for 30 minutes on the grill. So this is 15 minutes while my Suya have been on the grill. I'm going to turn it aside, and I'm going to brush the other side again with the same vegetable oil. And I will allow it to cook for extra 15 minutes, which is 15 minutes on both sides. So right now my Suya have been grilling for 30 minutes. You can see it is very dried and looking nice. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell icon so you will never miss any of my uploads. Give this video a big thumbs up and drop a comment for me. Merry Xmas and have a beautiful day.